All right, let's talk about a choice that seems pretty technical but honestly has huge consequences for your entire operation: picking the right industrial filter. You know, if you get it wrong, you are in for some serious headaches. But get it right, and everything just runs like clockwork. So, let's dive in.
And believe me, the stakes are high. Choosing the wrong filter isn't just a small mistake. It can kick off a whole domino effect. We're talking about inconsistent product quality, energy bills that go through the roof, and worst of all, that expensive, unexpected downtime. Nailing this decision really is fundamental to an efficient operation.
So today we're putting two heavyweights of solid separation in the ring: cartridge filters and sand filters. Now they're both trying to do the same thing: give you clean fluid. But wow, their approaches for getting there are completely different.
Okay, up first, the cartridge filter. Think of this as the precision tool, the specialist in your filtration toolbox. It uses these very specific replaceable cartridges to snag particles with incredible accuracy. This makes it the go-to choice for any job that demands super high purity.
And in the other corner, we have the sand filter. This thing is the absolute powerhouse of the filtration world. It just uses a deep bed of media, usually sand, to filter out all the gunk. This system is a beast, right? It's built for durability, and it's incredibly cost-effective, especially when you're dealing with huge volumes of really contaminated fluids.
So how do these two actually stack up against each other? Let's get right into it and break it down. This is where you're going to see those key differences that will really help you make your decision.
This table just lays it all out so clearly. With cartridge filters, you get that surgical precision and a lower cost to get started, but, and this is a big but, you have to keep buying and replacing those cartridges. Now, sand filters, they're going to cost you more up front, and they take up a lot more space, but they are built to last for those massive jobs, and their self-cleaning backwashing system is a huge plus for your day-to-day operations.
So, when you boil it all down, this is the core trade-off. Are you looking for a nimble, precise solution that doesn't take up a lot of room, or do you need a heavy-duty workhorse that can just devour massive amounts of contaminants day in and day out? Your answer to that question pretty much points you straight to one or the other.
Okay, so now that you get the big picture differences, how do you actually choose the right one for your specific needs? Let's walk through a really simple 4-step guide that's going to help you make the right call.
This process right here is your roadmap. First off, define your goal. Are you just protecting equipment, aiming for ultimate purity, or meeting compliance standards? Second, you have to really know your fluid. What's in it? How big are the particles? Third, be honest about what you can handle operationally. And finally, and this is so important, look beyond that initial price tag. You've got to calculate the total cost of ownership over time.
In the end, it all comes down to this one simple question. What does your process actually demand? Is it the surgical precision of a cartridge filter, or is it the raw industrial power of a sand filter? Once you have a crystal clear understanding of your unique needs, the right answer will become obvious.